Hi everyone, I'm Mariana Munoz, our agricultural specialist here at Shore Rivers. I wanted to wish you a happy holidays, and as we're approaching the end of the year, I want to talk to you a little bit about our work and what we're doing to support our vision for the future. At Shore Rivers, we envision sustainable landscapes that support healthy waterways. We combine government funding and community support to be able to design and implement high-impact pollution reduction restoration projects. We also work in partnership with our agricultural community to improve farm health and water quality. Our work includes projects in field and edge of field. We work alongside the farmer to reduce nutrients at the source, and then we can treat those nutrients that leave our fields. This could be through tree buffers, stream restorations, and wetlands. Please consider supporting Shore Rivers by making a year-end gift. Thank you so much.